If you're looking for a low carb recipe, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to make a nice sweet and spicy combination. We're making Harissa Paneer with some glazed carrots. Let's see how to make it. We're going to start by making a spicy harissa paste, for which I have a red capsicum here. We're going to char this on an open flame. Using a fork, I'm just going to place the red capsicum on the flame. Charring the red capsicum will help us get rid of the skin and add a nice smoky flavor to it. Once the capsicum is charred from all sides, take it out, place it in a bowl and cover it. Let's have a look inside. Looks like the skin has loosened quite a bit and comes off easily. But to make my job easier, I'm going to use a butter knife to peel off all of the skin. I'm going to hold this under some running water and get rid of all of these small bits that are left. Now I'm going to use a sharp knife and cut off all the flesh, making sure I don't get any seeds in. Now I'm going to add this directly into my mixer grinder. The red capsicum adds a beautiful flavor which is not too spicy. I'm adding some soaked red chillies for that kick of spiciness. You can use any kind of red chillies of your choice and you can adjust the spice level according to your tolerance. I'm adding in 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance out all of that spiciness. I'm adding in some caraway seeds, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, salt to taste, and 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to grind this into a smooth paste. The consistency looks perfect. I'm adding juice of half a lemon and I'm going to give this a quick mix. Let's marinate our paneer now. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt on one side and our harissa sauce. Flip it over and marinate on the other side as well. We will let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. While the paneer is marinating, let's make our glazed carrots. You can use any carrot of your choice and cut it in any shape or size. Just make sure they are cooked by the end. I'm using nice thin long carrots that have been cut into slivers. I have a pan here which has been heating up. To this I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of water and add in the carrots. 1 teaspoon of honey. As the water evaporates and the carrots cook, the honey is going to glaze the carrots really nicely. I'm going to flavor it with some dried rosemary. Carrots and rosemary make a great combination. Some salt for seasoning, not too much because I'm going to top it off with some cold butter. I'm going to add some cold cubes of butter all around the carrots. The butter will help bring a little bit of shininess to our glazed carrots. Now I'm going to cover this and let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium to low flame. While our glazed carrots are cooking, let's cook our paneer as well. I'm using a pan which has some stripes on it so that it gets nice grilled marks. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my grill pan. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add in our marinated paneer right in the center. Let's flip it. Let's have a look at the carrots. The water has almost evaporated and the honey has turned into glaze. The carrots look cooked and they smell so amazing. I'm going to turn off the flame. Let's flip it once again. Once the paneer is ready, take it out of the pan. Time to plate this. I'm going to cut it diagonally from the center to get 2 triangles. And then we're going to cut it diagonally again from the other side. Let's plate it. Place the glazed carrots. We're going to garnish this with some chopped coriander Harissa is extremely versatile and you can use it in many different recipes. If you want to see more recipes with harissa sauce, let me know in the comment section below. Our unique combination of harissa paneer and glazed carrots is ready to serve. Try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.